This is chapter 30, verse 6. The Braja Gopis were aware of the reason for Krishna's sudden disappearance. They could understand that when they were enjoying Krishna, they thought themselves to be the most fortunate. Interesting, Prabhupada says, when they were enjoying Krishna, because our general angle of vision is they're enjoyed by Krishna, Purusha and Prakriti. But of course, being enjoyed by Krishna means you also enjoy being enjoyed by Krishna. And it's such enjoyment that Krishna becomes amazed. How is it that my Sevites and my servitors like Radharani, my beloved Radharani, I'm enjoying immensely, unlimitedly, Purnatam Anand, Purna Anand, complete unlimited bliss in the association and in the intimacies and being with my beloved Priyaji Radharani. But I see that her happiness and her bliss is even greater than mine, and she's simply serving my every wish and whim and desire as the enjoyed, and I'm the enjoyer. So for that, to solve that mystery, Krishna appeared as Mahaprabhu. That's one of the reasons. What is the sukha, the happiness that she feels by pleasing me and serving me? But since they were feeling proud, Krishna disappeared immediately to curb the pride.